local SEO in 2026 isn't what it used to be. If you are relying on old tricks like keyword stuffing and basic listings, you are already behind. So what actually works now? Let's break it down. AI-driven search. Search has changed. With AI-powered results and voice search dominating, people aren't typing best pizza Dhaka anymore. Rather, they're asking, what's the best place near me for late night pizza with fast delivery? To rank today, your content needs to match real human questions, not just keywords. Focus on conversational content, FAQs, and natural language. Google Business Profile optimization. Your Google Business Profile is no longer optional. It's your digital storefront. What works now? Weekly updates and posts, real photos and short videos, accurate hours, service and categories, and most importantly, reviews. Not just getting them, but also replying to them consistently. Hyperlocal content. Generic content doesn't rank anymore. You need hyperlocal relevance. Create content about specific neighborhoods, local events, and community involvement to rank higher on Google and get traffic. Thank you very much.